So, sorry for the lack of updates. Part of the reason is this thing here, which is a toolbox, and attached to the toolbox is a Trioving 5632, and I have been working on this lock for, I don't know, about a month now, off and on, and I can't get it. It is talking and giving feedback and very, very deep falsets, but no open yet. So I don't know what's in this toolbox. And that's actually the truth. It's my dad's toolbox. He gave it to me and said if you can open it, he's lost the key, and if I can open it I can have the contents. But a month later I still haven't got it open. I think I have about 6 hours of video trying to open this thing and I can't get it. So, and also I have moved, so new house, new lock-picking place, sort of a man cave going on in the basement here, and I thought I would clear this away now and start working on a Yale, and maybe I can get that, so boost my confidence a little before I continue with this freakishly difficult Trioving padlock. So let's do a Yale then. This is a different model. It doesn't actually, it says FKH2 on it, but I don't think that's the model number. It doesn't say anything else but Yale. That's a slightly less curved keyway. And let's see if this one will allow me to get some confidence back, because it feels like it's weeks since I've actually opened any lock, which I guess it is since I've been moving and stuff, but that Trioving toolbox thing has really taken up a lot of my time and with very limited results. I have a false set now, and pin 1 is giving feedback, and then it stops giving feedback. Touching pin 3, I think, got me my false set back. And I have a huge false set going now, and pin 5, 4, 3. I don't know if it's feedback now or me. The pick touching the tension wrench, it's sort of difficult to feel because there isn't much room in here. That's definitely feedback on pin 2. I think we got him set. We're back to pin 1 and it's also giving feedback. And we have an open. Well, that's a first in a long while. So we have an open on a Yale model number something something. I think that's a production serial number or something. But anyway, small Yale, same size as the 110s. Either it's older or newer, I don't know. But anyway, that's an open on this one. So I have a little bit of confidence coming back now. See ya!